All right, today I have a Nissan Murano, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights, also called the dome lights, in this particular Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you how to turn the dome lights on and off. I'm going to show you how to turn the lights to where they turn off or they stay off when you open the door, and how to turn that back on so if you want to, they turn on when you open the door. I'm going to go over all of that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so we're going to go up right here to the top of the ceiling. These are the ceiling lights right here. All right, you see the ceiling dome lights right here. I'm going to show you how to turn on the reading light first of all. So say for instance, you have someone in your vehicle that actually knows how to read. You can use the reading light and turn them on by simply pressing this button right here. This button is for the driver's side reading light. If I want to turn the reading light off, I'll press it one more again and it turns off like that. Now, if I don't do the passenger side, I press it once and the reading light turns on. If I want to turn the reading light off, I will go ahead and press it off. All right, so now we have how to turn on all of the ceiling lights inside of the vehicle. You have this button right here. Do you see this button right here? Boom. I turn that and you look on the back, the reading or the lights are on all throughout the vehicle. All right, so I'm gonna press this one more time to turn it off. You see the lights are off. Now, we have the door option, okay? So when I open the door, look what happens. Let me open the door first. The lights come on, right? The lights come on when I open the door. Now, if I don't want the lights to come on when I open the door, I'll press this. See, it's depressed in there. I'm gonna open the door. You see the lights do not turn on. Now, if I were to press it again, open the door, goes on. All right, so that's how you turn on and off the ceiling, also called the dome lights, in this particular Nissan Murano. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.